Stellar Lumens XLM got some major news today from a top 5 US bank. Let's jump into it in this video. I'm going to let you guys know what's going on and what we can look forward to in terms of price action. So jump into it, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and follow me on X as well if you're watching over there. None of this is financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. But taking a look at what's going on here, this is what we know. US Bank, the fifth largest commercial bank in the United States, has started testing the issuance of custom stablecoins on the Stellar network, according to a Tuesday announcement. Now, PricewaterhouseCoopers and the Stellar Development Foundation are in this initiative as well. The bank aims to explore whether a traditional bank can safely issue programmable money on a public blockchain, according to the blog post. Ability to freeze or unwind transactions is a key feature that aligns with regulatory and compliance requirements, such as KYC, which is know your customer. What's where you have to verify who you are, your ID, basically, and transaction reversibility, which is something that blockchain doesn't typically have. But there is the ability for them to reverse transactions on certain blockchains. Critical features that banks need and want to adopt if they want to adopt blockchain rails for mainstream use. Those are some of the main features that they basically need to do. We can't have we can't have worlds where banks can't rewind transactions. It's just not feasible. There's too many people that make mistakes out there, and there'd be a lot of really, really upset people, I think, if that were the case. In terms of banks using stable coins, I think that I'm in favor of that idea. However, and I mean, how many times have you guys have had to get refunds on something? And I mean, having that ability to to basically redo transactions is something that banks kind of need to do. And blockchain, though, I love how you can't really, manipulate the market like that. You can't manipulate the blockchain. The average user can't, freeze funds and things like that. So, it only really comes unless there's a big problem. And that is, something that we just kind of have to consider, I guess, when we're talking about traditional finance and them getting on board with stable coins and such. And there's another reason why Stellar's going up today. Stellar's total value locked hits a new all-time high, and according to DeFi Llama, the XLM's TVL has reached a new all-time high of 169.3 million on Tuesday. So this is showing growing activity, interest in Stellar ecosystem. People are depositing funds on the basically on the protocols, using their protocols, etc. Now, spot and futures markets are indicating large whale orders and buying dominance there as well. So we could be gearing up right now for a bit of a pump. As long as the market, I'm going to stress this, guys. I'm not telling you that the price is going to go crazy, but as long as the market continues to look favorable, we might be able to see a bit of a pump here. Now, I know there's a lot of talk about the Federal Reserve in the United States, and if they're going to have lower interest rates again in December. There's a thesis for and a thesis against, and I think right now the market's trying to figure out which one they're for and pricing it in advance, so to speak, right? So we're eyeing, 28 cents in the near term, and I believe that was actually the 4-hour chart's a bit bearish. The 1 day actually did show a trend buy here. So this is a buy alert that my indicator popped off. So this is showed a buy alert back on November 23rd. So it's basically gearing up so that it thinks that the momentum is going to continue to go up. So that would be a good indicator. That would also, this takes into consideration a number of different indicators, right? There's not just one. Normally we take multiple indicators and try to determine which way a price is going to go, and this thing has a bunch of them built in. So it gives you one clear signal to read. Very, very useful tool, and it is on sale right now. You can get a 35% off coupon using my coupon code Black Friday. It comes with a 30-day money back guarantee as well. Runs on the TradingView platform, just like I'm showing you guys on here. So it's not just crypto; it does stocks, funds, forex, etc. Anything basically that TradingView charts. This thing will work on. So, right now, like I said, on the 1 day, we're still in a momentum up. The 4 hours painting a little bit different picture. Right now, we're in a little bit of a downturn, but it looks like it's going to potentially turn green again. You can see that by the candle kind of turning green on the outside, right? So the colors of the candles actually give you a little bit of a forward looking. So it kind of tells you which way the which way the candle's starting to turn. So this could potentially turn into another buy alert on the 4 hour as well. So, jump over to cfalgo.com, take a look at the trading indicator if you are interested. Big sale, 35% off for the lifetime of your subscription. So, you guys can take a look at it, see if it fits you. You can take a look at my demo that I have there as well and the pricing. So you're going to pay a fraction of what these prices are, 35% off that. And, you can make that back pretty easily in just a trade or two. So I know I do that. I use it frequently, quite frequently. It is something that I don't really trade without because it's that valuable. So up to you guys. Go take a look at it. If not, no problem. But XLM definitely looking good here today. And I'm very, very excited to see where this is going to go. Have a great rest of your day, guys. Peace.